welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing these sleeping mats, which is basically great for camping, outdoors, going over for a friend's house and they don't have a bed for you to lay on, anything of that sort. Maybe even like a truck bed if you're like out gazing at the stars, just something nice and soft just to lie on. Alright, so it's called a camping pad specifically. Oh, basically comes nice and pre-rolled. There are the texture in there. You can see where the air pockets are gonna go, but it's like my arm span length. All right, here are the two air holes that you want to close up, pumping the air in. So let's go ahead and close those up. And let's find the pump. It's actually a foot pump, so you literally just like press your foot on it and then it should pump up within like a few minutes. Go ahead and simply press it. And you can see it inflating. So it inflates one pillow, but the other pillow you actually have to manually inflate. Basically with this pump in the back, you basically just blow into this for this pillow specifically. But other than that, everything else inflates beautifully, simply with that foot pump right there. And there you have perfect bed for camping. And then once you're done, then you can go ahead and just put that back into this bag and it's all ready for camping. So yeah, super easy. It literally took like 20 pumps to like fill the whole thing up. So super fast, super efficient, and super easy to bring around camping. So if you want to purchase the product, go ahead and check out the link below. If you like product unboxings and openings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.